Tonight's big story in just a few hours. A 25-year-old Ohio law is going to change the way that pit bulls are viewed. They're no longer going to automatically be deemed vicious simply because of their breed. Take a look.
Tonight at 12 o'clock, it'll be like New Year's Eve for dog lovers everywhere.
Because on May 22nd, after more than 2 decades on the books in Ohio, pit bulls will no longer be considered inherently vicious.
They're just like any other breed. I mean, if they have good training, socialization, then they'll be fine.
Now, instead of singling out the breed, Ohio's vicious dog law has been revised to put all canines on the same playing field and establishes a new classification system, labeling dogs involved in an altercation either a nuisance, dangerous, or vicious dog.
There's still issues with it, but it's all about changing the stereotypes.
Upper Section pit bull advocates hope won't be tainted by the death of a local newborn killed during a dog attack in Allen County last week.
Everyone should go home from the hospital with in their packet, not just about car seats, not just about SIDS, but there needs to be a pamphlet about dogs. And it needs to say you never, ever leave children alone with dogs.
Consistent education is what pit bull advocates hope will ensure families and dogs are protected. But as Ohio is now focusing more on the behavior of a dog and not the breed, now the state of Maryland is considering a law similar to the one coming off Ohio's books.
I think for another state to go down that path when Ohio has shown that it was not successful, it is really disappointing because you're letting down an entire state by suddenly saying that, oh, okay, we can identify vicious dogs by, the size of their heads or, the
Now, despite the dog law change, according to LimaOhio.com, the city of Lima wants residents there to know that pit bulls are actually still restricted. Now, the article quoted Major Chip Prostman of the Lima Police Department as saying that the city of Lima ordinance still does list pit bulls as being vicious. It's important that people who live in Lima or are visiting to know that. Good news, though, one of the puppies we had in tonight's story on pit bull changes to the law is up for adoption. You can find out more about Keegan on our website, northwestohio.com.